What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Shane and welcome to Comment Sunday, the day of the week where I just basically read out your comments. I haven't done one of these in a while because people really haven't commented. I get it, but you know, this won't be a long video today. It'll be pretty short when I say there's that many comments there. If you want to get involved, guys, you know, please do smash that fucking subscribe button and do comment below. That's how I'm gonna bring up your comments every Sunday. It's recognition for you guys supporting the channel, and we are a car discussion channel, so I'm here to discuss with you about what I've covered during the week. And if you're wondering what it's all about, I basically cover, you know, all the good comments, guys, maybe some bad ones. I get some people don't understand my accent. That is tough shit. I can't, you know, be your ears for you. If you can't understand my accent, I'm sorry about that. But don't be coming on the channel bitching and complaining that you can't understand it. And just smart ass comments. You know, I reply to them for a certain while and then I might just delete them because I'm all about positivity. I don't need negative shit on my channel either. So yeah, on today's one, look, we're just going to cover the CNC Motors video I covered last time. And one or two other videos. As I said, there isn't that much in there either. Also, guys, one or two people asked me about you know, my cryptocurrency profile. Guys, I only got into it like a few months ago. I'm new like everybody else, but I ended up buying a bit of Dogecoin. I ended up buying, I think, 30 million Shiba coins, 30 million Safe Moon coins. I'm mining Pi Network coins and also B Network coins. So that's basically what I did. I haven't put that much into it. I think I've put in like maybe 250, 300 euros in total. I'm not putting any more into it. I'm putting, you know, I'm ignoring the apps. I'm not trying to watch it go up and down. I'm leaving it there for, you know, 2-3 years. And if I go back to it and they've made me money, happy days. So that's what I've basically invested in. I wouldn't be a lunatic to go away and spend, you know, thousands on it. That's just not me. I'm not really a gambling man. So that's what I've invested in cryptocurrency, guys. Fingers crossed it does hit. So I usually go from the news video back, guys. So the news video obviously was Matt Salvo with his basically his Ferrari video. He actually just commented a while ago about what's been going on. So what happened with this guy is he bought a Ferrari 360. He had to go back and forth with Clay about getting stuff fixed. Got supposedly the stuff fixed and never got the title. He still hasn't the title. He's trying to get the title. He's been starting to fix parts of the car, but he's been told not to fix the car because it isn't actually his. So he just basically said that thanks for sharing my story. I have some major updates I'll be talking about soon. The mechanic found even more issues and I will not be fixing it. So I'll keep an eye on this guy. I know, guys, the CNC stories are kind of starting to wear out a bit. I'll hold off now until we see anything major happens. I just want to cover this one because, you know, it was Matt. Fred Danieli, I think it is, commented. Thanks for the comment. Shane, great video, I'm sorry to say, but California only cares about the sales tax on these sales and not the fact that someone has been wronged. The CADMV is so ignorant that they don't even require a notary for the car transfers and have no way to effectively verify an owner's signature on any transactions. The California Highway Patrol used to investigate and prosecute these matters. However, this was turned over to DMV and now they are swamped with incompetent people. If they are going to go after Clay with CNC for anything, it is going to be tax evasion. I was just, because my question in the video was, why aren't the DMV confirming that the person selling the car and the person buying it have gone through CNC Motors and actually just have both of them confirm, yes, this is correct, money has been, you know, passed over, etc., and then just give Matt the new title. I don't get it, and it looks like there's my answer. So yeah, it looks like CNC have really shafted people. You wonder how far or how bad it's going to get with them as well. That's going to be interesting. So my other video, this was one during the week, was DDE sell another supercar, DJ Hunt buying a new supercar. This one, guys, was DD is selling R35 and TJ will end up buying the Violet Porsche GT3 RS. West Coast Turbos, regular comment of mine, cool guy, has basically said DD has 1500 wheel horsepower Huracan on the way, speed has built. Yeah, because I forgot, like, they sold the 1500 power Nissan GTR. Dave is actually getting the 1500 brake horsepower Huracan built, so yeah, that's going to be interesting to see that being done as well, and what other cars they sell and end up buying. And this video, guys, my last thing here, let's cover this one quickly. Surprised this hasn't gotten more views. I highly recommend go check it out and see if you agree with this or not. My top 5 car YouTube cars of 2021 so far. I think my list is pretty good. I'm surprised it hasn't gotten any more views because like it's debatable. I would like to hear what people say about their top 5 of YouTubers. So if you haven't checked it out, please go check out this video and do comment below your top 5. And from Sports and Touring, I think great choices there. Thank you, and Andrew Phillips, I would love picked Triple F's Sabre. I like the Sabre, guys, but I don't know, the Regera has a place in my heart like no other, along with the Wyra and the McLaren P1, like are kind of like my top ever 3 favourite cars. And then obviously I love the Murcielago, and there's so many cars I can't even fathom. Like it's so hard to have a top 5. But let me know your top 5 in the comments below, guys. That's basically what the video was about. And that's all the comments for this week. Again, guys, please do remember to comment below. Smash that like button, and even better if you smash the subscribe button. And I do have some vlogs coming up as well. So hopefully you enjoyed this video, guys. Something that you might like. It's just a bit of fun. And as I said, I read all your comments and to discuss. And again, hopefully you've understood my accent and had no issues understanding me. So yeah, but I'll try and work on it in future videos. So until the next episode, guys, stay safe, peace out, and keep it lit.